Sup, this is Dolby Shave 005. So today is Saturday, exactly 1 p.m. Saturday 18, 1 p.m. So I'm gonna take care on my own day Elantra. So come with me, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do on my own day Elantra. So now I'm finished with my first part. I changed my air filter. So my air filter is very dirty. So the second thing, I'm gonna do the oil change. Just follow me, I'm gonna show you every step. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up. Uh,
And then just, yeah, turn your AC on. Is your AC on right now?
yeah, everything's good.
Okay, cool. We're going to check that out for you, okay?
Uh,
And what's the mileage right now?
44 308,
What is it?
44 308.
44. Benzene?
Yeah.
And same old as last time, you were doing full synthetic.
Yeah, there's something.
Is 35 okay for the tire pressure?
Yeah,
Yeah. How are your wiper blades? They're good?
yeah.
Can you shut it off for me, please? Remy. No,
Check the bag.
How you doing, sir?
Alright.
My name is Remy. I'm the assistant manager. I'll take over for call-ups, okay?
Alright.
Freddie's checking all your fluids right now. Your washer fluids, you filled it up. Coolant looks good. We're gonna test the battery, check the tires and the filters, okay?